Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the thrilling world of action cameras with a special focus on the much anticipated GoPro Hero 13 Black. As GoPro continues to be a leader in the action camera market, it faces stiff competition from brands like DJI and Insta360. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is poised to push the boundaries of what's possible in action cameras. Known for its rugged design and high performance, the Hero 13 Black is set to elevate the standards of action photography and videography. Recent leaks and rumors have sparked a frenzy among GoPro fans and tech enthusiasts alike. According to various sources, the Hero 13 Black is expected to feature groundbreaking advancements. One of the most exciting rumors is the inclusion of 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. This would be a game changer, offering unparalleled detail and clarity for capturing breathtaking scenes. Imagine filming your adventures in stunning 8K resolution. This feature alone could set new industry standards. For those passionate about photography, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is expected to feature a 27 megapixel sensor. This upgrade promises to deliver exceptionally vibrant and lifelike images that could rival even the best dedicated cameras. Low light performance has always been a critical aspect for action cameras, and it's clear that GoPro is addressing this with the Hero 13 Black. Many users have expressed a desire for better nighttime shooting capabilities, and it appears GoPro is listening. The Hero 13 Black is rumored to retain the popular 16:9 aspect ratio while introducing 8K resolution support. This combination offers greater flexibility in post-production, allowing users to crop and frame their footage with minimal loss of quality. Pricing is always a crucial factor when it comes to new tech releases, and the GoPro Hero 13 Black is no exception. Given that the Hero 12 Black was more affordable than its predecessor, there's hope that GoPro will continue this trend with the Hero 13 Black. That's all for today's deep dive into the GoPro Hero 13 Black. We hope this comprehensive overview has provided you with valuable insights into what we can expect from this highly anticipated action camera. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest news and reviews, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay informed. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible and continue to capture your adventures with the latest and greatest technology. Thanks for watching.